Hi there, I'm Luna. Welcome to Luna Lingo. Today, we're going to learn some simple Japanese through a fun little conversation between me and my friend Tom. Don't worry if you're just starting. I'll help guide you through it, one line at a time. Ready to learn your first Japanese conversation? Let's go! Konnichiwa. Hajimemashite.
はじめまして、トムです。
私はルナです。よろしくね。
よろしくお願いします。
日本語少しわかりますか？
はい、少しだけ。
すごい。一緒に頑張ろう。Great job! Now, let's quickly review a few common words we heard today. First, we had Konnichiwa. That means hello. Then, Hajimemashite, which is used when meeting someone for the first time. We also saw Watashi wa desu, a simple way to introduce yourself. And don't forget yoroshiku, a friendly phrase that means let's get along or nice to meet you. Finally, gambaro. It means let's do our best. Try practicing those with me one more time.